Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of pharmaceutical manufacturing. Specifically, we're talking about something called Good Manufacturing Practices, or GMP for short. These are guidelines set by the World Health Organization, or WHO. They're super important because they make sure that medicines are made safely and correctly. Think about it, when you take medicine, you need to know it's going to work, right? That's where GMP comes in. These guidelines cover everything from the raw materials used to make medicine to the final product that ends up in your hands. It's all about quality control, folks. GMP is a global standard. This means that whether a medicine is made in America, Australia, or anywhere else, it should meet the same high standards. This is crucial for ensuring that everyone has access to safe and effective medicines no matter where they live. So, the next time you take your vitamins or need some medicine, remember WHO GMP. These guidelines are working behind the scenes to keep you healthy. Now, you might be thinking, manufacturing sounds pretty straightforward, right? Well, in the world of pharmaceuticals, it's a bit more complex than you might imagine. According to WHO, manufacturing isn't just about mixing ingredients together. It's a whole process that starts with the delivery of raw materials and doesn't end until the final product is ready to be shipped out. That's a lot of steps. We're talking about everything from weighing and measuring ingredients to packaging and labeling the finished product. And let's not forget about quality control checks that happen along the way. Each step in the manufacturing process is carefully controlled to ensure the quality and safety of the final product. It's like a recipe, but instead of baking a cake, we're talking about medicines that can save lives. Now let's zoom in on a particularly important aspect of pharmaceutical manufacturing: separation techniques and pharmaceutical analysis. These are crucial for ensuring that medicines are pure, potent, and safe for consumption. To achieve this, there are several key areas that need to be carefully managed.
Quality management. This is like the control center, making sure everything runs smoothly and meets the required standards.
Documentation and records. It's essential to keep detailed records of every step in the manufacturing process. This helps ensure traceability and accountability.
Materials management. You can't make good medicine with bad ingredients. This area focuses on sourcing, storing, and handling all materials properly.
Production and in-process controls. Think of this as quality control in action. Regular checks are performed throughout the manufacturing process to ensure everything is on track.
Laboratory controls. This is where the real scientific magic happens. Sophisticated tests are conducted to analyze the purity, potency, and stability of the medicine.
Together, these key areas form the foundation for safe and effective pharmaceutical manufacturing. Stay tuned as we explore these areas in more detail. In the world of pharmaceutical manufacturing, laboratory controls are like the watchful guardians of quality. They play a critical role in ensuring that every batch of medicine meets the highest standards of safety and efficacy. Here's a closer look at what happens behind the scenes in these high-tech labs.
Testing of intermediates and APIs. Before a medicine is even close to being finished, its individual components, called intermediates and active pharmaceutical ingredients, undergo rigorous testing. Scientists want to make sure they are pure and meet the required specifications. Validation of analytical procedures. It's not enough to just have tests. Those tests need to be accurate and reliable. Validation ensures that the analytical methods used in the lab are up to the task. Certificates of analysis. Think of this as a passport for each batch of API. It confirms that the material has passed all the necessary tests and meets the required quality standards. Stability monitoring of APIs. Medicines need to have a shelf life, right? Stability monitoring helps determine how long an API remains potent and safe under different storage conditions. Expiry and retest dating. Based on stability data, scientists determine an expiry date for the API. This ensures that the medicine is used within a time frame where it is still effective. Reserve retention samples. Scientists always keep samples of each batch of API. This allows for future testing if needed, ensuring ongoing quality control.
Laboratory controls are all about meticulous analysis and attention to detail. It's this dedication to quality that helps ensure that medicines are safe and effective for patients worldwide.